काँग्रेसीन काल राजभवनाचेर मोर्चा व्हेल्लो. भाजपा सरकाराक फाटल्या 10 वर्सांत उदरगत करपाक अपेस येयला. काँग्रेस फुडारी 21 कलमी आरोपपत्र राज्यपालाक दिवपाक येयल्ले. पुलिसांनी दोनापावलाच्या सर्कला कडेनच तांकां आडायले. वेळ दिवन राज्यपाल दुसरे कार्यावळीक गेल्ल्यान काँग्रेस फुडाऱ्यांनी निशेध केलो. जाल्यार उपरांत राज्यपालान पत्रकारां कडेन ते विशींचें स्पश्टीकरण दिलें.
काँग्रेसीन काल राजभवनाचेर मोर्चा व्हरपाचो यत्न केलो. काँग्रेसीचो वरिष्ठ वेंचणूक निरीक्षक पी चिदंबरम, खासदार फ्रांसीस सार्दीन, पक्ष फुडारी गिरीश चोडणकार, काँग्रेसीचो राष्ट्रीय फुडारी कन्हैया कुमार हाचो मोर्चात आस्पाव आसलो. पुलिसांनी दोनापावलच्या जंक्शनाचेर काँग्रेसीचो मोर्चा आडयलो. दिगंबर कामतीन आडावपाचें कारण जाणा जावन घेवपाचो यत्न केलो. कोणाचे तरी ऑर्डरी वयल्यान पुलिसांनी आडावन धरल्यात हे कळटकच लोक खुबळ्ळे. पळयात ते कफुसांव.
Now our people have been stopped at the never this has happened before. They always used to stop us halfway before the main gate. Then 5 or 10 people used to go and meet the governor, and governor used to accept our memorandum. This has been the tradition as far as Rajbhavan is concerned. This is the first time that police are stopping us at Donapaula junction, circle, not allowing us. And no, we will not come to meet you, out of question. Because governor had told us initially that he will meet us, our delegation, and accept the memorandum. Now I think governor has left.
He has been asked to go. BJP has told him to
That
go.
is okay, but then this is our meeting was for 5 minutes. No, I had told Mr. Borkar that we will meet for 5 minutes. Just handing over these to him. No, but they will not. Now they will. Our people will not allow. They will not allow us anybody to go inside.
No, if the governor is there,
If
we'll go.
governor is there now. What time is coming back?
No pressure.
What is he saying?
Yes, governor has left for Margam.
They have instructed governor to leave the Raj Bhavan, and they have instructed police to stop us here.
Why are you saying, Mr. DYSP, 6 o'clock when governor secretary confirms it's 5 o'clock? They told us.
Who have given you?
No, just a moment. They have told you at 6 o'clock. So we will tell the press. Governor told us 5 o'clock. DYSP says 6 o'clock. Then who? Somebody told you.
Who is the person? Give us the name.
Somebody must have
Give
told
us the
you
name
6
of the
o'clock.
person who have told you.
How can they tell us one thing and tell you one
Telling
thing?
all these responsible people, you think all these people are fools, and you are the smartest of
got an
you.
appointment at 5. There was no business to stop. You could have cross-checked with the governor's office.
He thinks all of us are fools here.
Yes, that he has to mislead us. He has misled us.
Of course.
We were on time here. He should have allowed us to go at 5
You
o'clock.
stopped us only because you thought it was 6 o'clock when we are telling you it's 5 o'clock. Not fair at all.
They are under pressure. They are under pressure for next 1 month. You think we have come to have fun here? Wasting your time? You are wasting your time.
पुलिसांनी आडायल्या उपरांत प्रदेशाध्यक्ष गिरीश चोडणकारान थंयच सभात घेवन पुलिसांचेर फार पेटयले. जाल्यार कन्हैया कुमारान आपले सच्चे शैलीत पुलिसांकय भानार हाडपाचो यत्न केलो. पळयात.
आज पुलिसांचो वापर हो बीजेपी सरकार करता. काल हिणी एक मोर्चा हाडलो आमच्या ऑफिसाचेर. हाचे पयलीं आनी एक मोर्चा हाडलो. थंय आमच्या कार्यकर्त्यांचेर हल्लो केलो. तेन्ना हे सगळे पुलीस हांगाच उबे आसा. ते पेदे कशे न्हिदलेले आसले. काल मोर्चा हाडले तेन्ना हे सगळे पुलीस आसा ते कुड्डे जाल्ले. तांकां काय दिसता आसले. आणि आयज आमी एक डेमोक्रेटिक पद्धतीन राजभवनाचेर मोर्चा व्हरतलो कारण ह्या सरकाराचेर आमी 21 कलमी चार्ज ह्या सरकाराचेर आमी केल्ले आसा. ती चार्ज शीट फायल करपाक आमी आयज राजभवनाचेर टायम मागलेलो. पयलीं राज्यपालान आमकां अपॉइंटमेंट दिलें 5 वरांचेर. आनी जेन्ना मुख्यमंत्र्याक आनी बीजेपीच्या सुपर चीफ मिनिस्टराक कळ्ळें की 21 कलमी चार्जेस, सिरियस चार्जेस गोंयच्या लोकांच्या वतीन काँग्रेस पक्ष ह्या सरकाराचेर करता तेन्ना राज्यपालाक तेणी आदेश दिलो. नॉर्मली राज्यपाल सरकाराक आदेश दिता. गोंय राज्याक बीजेपीचो सुपर सीएम आनी सीएमान राज्यपालाक आदेश दिलो की काँग्रेसीचे अपॉइंटमेंट कॅन्सल कर म्हणून. आणि गव्हर्नराच्या ऑफिसरले आयज आमकां सांगता की तुमचे अपॉइंटमेंट कॅन्सल जाल्ले आसा आपूण राजभवनाक ना म्हणून. पयलीं काम करतात पुलीस 1 म्हयनो तुम्ही करतले त्याच्या नंतर काँग्रेस सरकार येतले आणि हे सगळे जे इलिगलिटीज केला इलिगल जे जॉब्स लूट गेल्ले आसात पैसे घेऊन जे जॉब विकलेले आसात ते प्रत्येक जॉब स्क्रॅप जातलो आणि प्रत्येक ऑफिसराचेर इन्व्हेस्टिगेशन जातलें. तुम्ही आयज आमकां कदाचित हांगा हाडोवपाक शकल्यात तुम्ही आमकां विधानसभेक वचपाचे कशेंच हाडोवपाक शकपाना ही शिटकावणी आयज हांव बीजेपीच्या प्रत्येक लिडराक दिता.
ये चार्जशीट मैं खास करके अपने पुलिस के कांस्टेबलों को कहना चाहता हूँ, ये हमारी पार्टी की कार्यकर्ता के लिए सिर्फ नहीं है, ये आपके लिए भी है, आपका सवाल भी है. हो सकता है कि आपको ऊपरी कमाई हो, लेकिन आपको भी तो 110 रुपए लीटर पेट्रोल खरीदना पड़ रहा है ना. आपको भी अपने बच्चों के लिए महंगी शिक्षा लेनी पड़ रही है ना. आपको भी इस बात की गारंटी नहीं है ना कि आपका बच्चा इंजीनियरिंग कर ले, MBA कर ले, उसके बाद उसको नौकरी मिल जाएगी. देश को अगर लूटा जा रहा है तो हम सबको लूटा जा रहा है.
आपणाक मडगांवां एका बायल साहित्यिकाक राष्ट्रीय पुरस्कार भेटोवपा खातीर वचपाचे आसले, देखून आपूण काँग्रेसीच्या शिष्टमंडळाची प्रत्यक्ष भेट घेवपाक शकलो ना. राज्यपाल श्रीधरन पिल्लैन भेट न्हयकारपा फाटले रजाव दिले.
6 o'clock was the time fixed for the meeting. I don't want to say anything about the meeting and all. 6 o'clock, and after 5 o'clock I was connected to the other office. Our office was given 6 o'clock time. Then immediately in the morning after this arrangement with the I was there 60 kilometers from here. Then I told them before 8 o'clock I will come here. The program 5 o'clock I think sent in some paper. No appointment in 5 o'clock. 6 o'clock what? They want to make a memorandum. Previously also memorandum success there. And receiving memorandum we are open, having an open mind in that. That is not democracy. But situation like this, seriously named up lady, and I myself told this to opposition leader that even conscience, I think that is conscience here. So I'm just saying that. So I want to go there. She is so much swayed by emotions.
ब्युरो रिपोर्ट गोवा 365.